Hello, welcome to Chantel's Homeschool. I'm Chantel, I'm a mom of 7 kids, and today I'm going to share with you Are the Good and the Beautiful Order. I shared a preview of this on my Instagram, but today I'm going to show it to you and explain kind of why we got what we got. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. I have more videos coming soon. If there's anything that you would like me to have that I don't, please mention it in the comments and I would be more than happy to try to get that video out. All right, let's dig in. Here is the first box. It has the time tunnel review cards. When I got the year 1 history, for whatever reason, I didn't get the time tunnel cards, so I just went ahead and got them this time. I also got the Treehouse Town game. My 8-year-olds are learning parts of speech, and I actually think my 11-year-old will benefit from this as well. So we're going to try this just as a fun add-on to our language arts and reading. It's a parts of speech game, so we'll see how that goes. And then we already have this set. However, let's see, what's the first book? Oh, this is the first book. We already have this set, but my son really loves his, and so I'm just going to give that to him and he can put it on his personal bookshelf. And this one will be the one that my daughter's going to be reading when she does the level 3 language arts. And then this is the level 7 reader, which obviously goes with level 7, which I will share in a minute. And then for my youngest 2, we're going to go ahead and work through the Little Hearts and Hands science. I think they're a good age for this. It says K through 2nd. They're going to be technically age-wise in 3rd grade, but I feel like this will be great for them just the same. So I went ahead and got this. It's the only one that I don't have, so I just figured it would be a good addition. All right, let's see what's on the next box. All right, here is the level 7. My 14-year-old did level 6 last year, so we're going to move into level 7. She will be high school, however, the level 7 can be used as a high school course. This is the daily checklist. This really comes in handy, and this is the course book. And then you saw I shared the reader. So she's going to do this for language arts next year. And then kind of a surprise, I went ahead and I got level 5 from The Good and the Beautiful. You know from my videos last year that level 4 hasn't gone that great. Flipping through level 5, I really think this is going to go better than level 4. My daughter really enjoyed this updated version when she did it, and so we're going to try it. I have a few hacks that I'm going to try, and if it doesn't work, I have a backup. Maybe. And then along with the history, when I got the kit, I never got the stories book, so I went ahead and I ordered the stories. And then I have the history year 1 and course book and the maps and images. And then whenever you order a set of language arts from The Good and the Beautiful, you also get their grammar and geography cards. So 2 sets of those. All right, in this box, I got the erasable pens from The Good and the Beautiful. I really love these pens. I've bought many erasable pens, and these are the only ones that still work. All right, for my 8-year-old, I went ahead and I bought these books for him. He loves information books about animals, and so I think he's really gonna like these. They are a 2A, so I think these will be a teeny bit of a challenge, but he's ready for that. We're gonna read these in our independent reading. And then I got their new series, the Ted and Tom series. These are 1B, so these will be a little easy, but these will be perfect independent readers for him that he can read on his own and get some confidence. For my 14-year-old, she has been reading the Lantern Lane books. She loves them. I went ahead and got book 4 because we don't have it. I'm going to surprise her with it, and she's going to be super excited. And then I went ahead and I got Space Science, the activity book for little kids, and the course book. I accidentally sold my other brand new copy, so I got this to fill out my collection. And then these have been helpful when my younger 2 haven't wanted to do the student journal. I can just pull something out of this really easy. It's just coloring pages and simple games like cut out. Like this is tracing and stuff. Really simple. It is not a curriculum on its own. And then usually I print the handwriting books for my kids, but this year The Good and the Beautiful offered to give us this stuff, so I went ahead and I got these physical books. We got the physical book of level 4 last year, and my son really enjoyed it, so I figured they would enjoy having the physical copy. So I got level 2, level 3, level 5, and level 7. Yes, I'm having my 8th grader do level 7. I feel like handwriting is such a good practice that I even still like my high schoolers to do it. So she's gonna do level 7. And we are super excited for this course. This is our favorite course of the language arts that we've used. I did not get the spelling portion because I'm going to print it. I have a way that I print it that I'm excited because I'm gonna like it better, I think, than the bought-in version. So I have this, and I already have the books that go with it, so I didn't need them. All right, last box. I got the story of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. He is my favorite poet, and as soon as I saw that they had this book, it's the story of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. I knew I wanted it because he's my favorite poet. I just love a lot of his poems. So this will be a fun book, really, for me. I didn't really get it for the kids. And then because we're doing the level 5, I got the new 5 book set. I have the level 5 book set from last year, and it comes packaged all cute. My daughter actually I've seen a lot of complaints about the level 5 language arts, but my daughter absolutely loved these books. She's read a couple of them twice. I don't know, she really liked them. So I went ahead and I got the next set because I'm going to give the old set to her because she liked it. She can put it on her personal bookshelf. I like to kind of get books for my kids to put on their personal bookshelf so that when they grow up and they leave the house, they'll have their own good books to stock their library before they move out into their own houses when they grow up. So just kind of something kind of silly. The other thing that comes in the book set is the watercolor around the world. We printed our own last time. It didn't turn out so great because you need to do it on watercolor paper. And so I thought buying it the projects might turn out better. I will say that this course wasn't our favorite when we did level 5 because the instructions are kind of vague and there's not a video. It would have been very helpful to have a video teaching how to do this. But we supplemented, we found some very similar ones on YouTube, and so we kind of did that. So we'll probably do that again. I know my 11-year-old is gonna like this because he likes watercolor. He likes to paint with watercolors, so he's liked it since they introduced it in level 1. So yes, that is my order. You can see everything that I got. Sorry, just checking to see if I actually shared everything that we got. That is everything that we got from The Good and the Beautiful. I am still going to be sharing what we will use next year, and I will share more about when I do the kids' individual grades, about how we're going to tweak some things for the level 5 language arts. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to shop through my link and support my channel, please go down to the description box. I have all of my affiliate links down at the bottom. The Good and the Beautiful did provide these for me at no cost, so I could share it with you and show it with you. However, that does not, I try to be honest in everything that I say because I know how valuable that is. In today's world, it's really hard to find an honest review of something because it's all sponsored. And the sponsored videos never tell you, I feel like, the whole complete truth or how they felt. So I try to be fairly honest without being negative about how we use things. I would appreciate it if you decide to buy anything to go ahead and shop through my links. Please like and subscribe so you can catch the videos of what we're going to be using next year. And we will see you soon. Bye.